Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody brand new to laser engraving, brand new to Corel. They're doing pretty good. They've got some problem. They want to know how to get rid of this dotted line. Well, first of all, that will not, well, I shouldn't say that. I'm not a printer. That should not print or engrave. That's a paragraph text. So when you're grabbing your text tool, you're going here and you're making a paragraph text. Well, if you've already got it typed out like you do this one, just grab it, go up to text, and convert to artistic text or Control 8, F8, because I can now go Control F8 and toggle between paragraph and artistic text. Artistic text is what you want. The other thing, his setting is CMYK. I don't know if you can see that on your monitor, but this is RGB. That's CMYK. Look how much darker it is. It's a truer black. So all laser engravers want to have their color palette to RGB. So to do that with your text, with nothing selected, go to text, and the text box, and it'll come up with a Docker and uniform fill, and we want to change this to RGB, and then say artistic text, say OK. Now and make sure you have nothing selected. Now your text is RGB. So that's going to be a truer black. Let's tell you what, let's do. Let's go to Windows, Color Palettes, and Palettes, and let's open up a CMYK. And if you have CMYK here, turn that off and open RGB. Now, let's make this text. Let's double this text. So this is an RGB. I'm going to make it CMYK. And you can see down there it's CMYK. I don't know that you're going to be able to tell between these two. Well, you can. I can in my monitor. Look how much darker that is. You're going to get a better engraving. You're going to get a truer black. And that way, you just need to, so to get rid of this CMYK, just go right up here and close it. Go to Palettes and close. And then it won't be there anymore. So change this to RGB. And I'm going to add this. I don't know. Inlay practice to me is he's going to inlay something. If you're going to I'm a woodworker. If you're going to inlay, let's say you're going to make, say this is maple and you're going to inlay walnut in it. If you will take this, hit the plus key on your keyboard, and left click, no fill, right click. It doesn't always show up that it's a hairline, but I'd go to object and convert it to a curve. So make sure it's a hairline to cut out. Now, there's two kinds of inlays, and I have a couple of videos on that. If this board was a 1/2 inch thick and you engraved an 1/8 inch, and this wood is 1/8 inch, it's going to fit down in that hole. If you engrave this, if you cut this out, let's say you cut it out of the wood. Let's say it's a 1/8 inch piece of wood, and you're going to try to put those pieces, the different color, in. Let's just do that. Let's make it that color, and we'll make the other one. Well, that one won't have a color. I'll show you that in just a second. But if you cut this out, the letter's going to be loose. So on this one, you need to make it a hair bigger. And I would test, I would go up, I'd make a copy, hitting the plus key. I'd go up to object and break it apart and get that in. And I would do this with a test because every laser is a little bit different. I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to contour. I'm going to make that letter black by right-clicking. I'm going to contour the outside in red, 0.003. That's what works on my laser. So that piece is going to be that much bigger. Then what you're going to want to do is go to Object, break the contour part, and if you grab the inside, you're going to get the old one. So this is the new one. This is going to be a little bit thicker. Let's just test it out. Let's make that black. And let's bring our new contour into that. And it's going to be, and that's the kerf of your laser. Anything that cuts wood has a kerf. Table saw, bandsaw, laser, plasma cutter. It's taking out material to cut that. I know it takes a lot of time to raster an 1/8 inch deep, but that way you don't have to contour. And then also, if you use an 1/8 inch piece of wood and an 1/8 inch piece of wood, you're going to have a backer board to glue it to. And well, that's no big deal. I've done them both ways. And you can, let me just get rid of all this. You can contour. I just made a duplicate by hitting plus. You could contour the whole thing to the outside, 0.003. But I would test one letter because you know, every laser is a little bit different. So there's that contour. And then just break the contour part, go up to Object, break contour part. And if you would just grab from the inside, and that's why I do black and white, because this is our new contour. And then if you cut this one out and glue it in, and you know, get glue everywhere, and then sand it. I've got a couple of videos in it. If you like, later ask me and I'll send you that, how to really make this tight. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.